What's up YouTube? Joe here from the Hammer Dance Live YouTube channel, and today we're here with another tech review for you guys. We're going to be reviewing the FiFine $30 USB condenser microphone. This thing has insane reviews, so we're going to give it a shot and test it out and see if it's worth the $30 price tag instead of spending $100 on a Yeti. Alright, so here we have it, the FiFine $30 USB condenser microphone. This is said that it's made for streaming and broadcasting, YouTube videos, voiceovers, recording vocals, and it features a cardioid polar pattern. Alright, so it looks like it comes with a 6-foot USB cable, which we can see right here. Plug and play, so basically just plug it into USB and the microphone should work. Your computer should pick it up. No driver install necessary. Sturdy metal construction design, so we'll see how well this thing holds up. And like I said earlier, the cardioid polar pattern condenser microphone. This, if you don't know what a cardioid polar pattern is, it basically is a pattern in which the microphone is picking up sound directly in a cone in front of the microphone. So let's open this thing up and give it a shot. And so we have the FiFine logo on the front of the box. Nice sturdy box. It feels pretty heavy. I like the weight of the box, so we're gonna open it up right now. Let's see what we got in here. Little foam packing slip. FiFine Technology, company website, get social, contact info, all that good stuff. It does come with a 2-year warranty. That's pretty nice. That's definitely nice. We have a FiFine Technologies K669B user guide. K669B is the model of this microphone. Little user guide and how to set it up right here. Okay, nothing crazy in this packaging. And then we have the microphone, as you guys can see right there. Packaging is actually pretty nice. So let's see what we got here. We got the cable. This is the little tripod stand for the microphone. That's pretty cool. Comes with it. Put that to the side for now. Let's pull the microphone out of here. Wow, this is a pretty heavy microphone. Build quality definitely feels pretty solid. You got your volume gain knob on the front here. Got the little FiFine logo. This feels like a pretty solid microphone. So let's get this thing on the tripod and see what it looks like on there. Just screws right on the top. That's pretty nice. The build quality on this thing, it definitely feels pretty sturdy. I'm 100% interested in seeing how this thing performs. So let's just take this and plug it right into our USB here, see if our computer picks it up, and then we'll do a sound test for you guys. I have my Yeti right here. I will put that next to it to show you guys so you can see the size difference. It's about the size of a Yeti Nano. This is a Yeti Nano, sorry, not a Yeti. So it's about the same exact size as the Yeti Nano, which is pretty cool. I like that. So we just plugged it in. Seems like the computer recognized it, so I will fire it up in Audacity, record some voiceover for you guys. We'll do a little test and see how it sounds. Alright guys, so we got the microphone plugged in. I still am using my XLR microphone so that we can compare the two sounds. We're about 3 inches away from each microphone. They are right here in front of me. So I'm going to start at 0 volume on the FiFine USB condenser microphone, and then we're going to gradually increase it as we're talking and see how that goes. Alright, so let's start our sound test. We are going to start recording now. Right now we are at 0 volume on the FiFine microphone. Right now we are about 1/4 volume on the microphone itself, and this is what it sounds like. Right now we are about halfway volume on the microphone, and this is what it sounds like. And now we are at 3/4 on the microphone's volume knob, and this is what it sounds like. And now we are maxed out. It looks like I'm clipping a lot. It's probably extremely distorted, so that's what that sounds like. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to say a few sentences to test the microphone, to test how dynamic it is and how it picks up sound and different words. Alright, so we're going to start that test right now. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The small fish twisted and bent on the small hook. The small pup gnawed at the hole in the wall. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 3. Can everyone hear me? Alright, so I gotta say guys, this microphone sounds really good. For $30, if you're on a budget and you need a condenser microphone to broadcast on Twitch or for your YouTube videos to do voiceovers, this microphone is pretty solid. It's very sturdy in construction. It feels good. It feels like it's made really well, and I'm honestly completely surprised at how well this thing performs for a $30 price point. So if you're asking if I would recommend this, I would. I actually would recommend this microphone. For $30, this is a steal. The way the microphone sounds, it sounds anywhere from a $70 to $110 price point microphone. So I would recommend this. It is definitely worth $30. I 100% will be using this for some voiceovers on my other machine. It's pretty awesome, and I'm pleasantly surprised at how well this performs. All right, guys, so there you have it. We reviewed the FiFine K669B USB condenser microphone that is only $30. I definitely would recommend this to you guys. It is a good microphone. It's solid. It sounds really nice. You can do voiceovers with it. You can stream on Twitch. You can do whatever you need to do. And this thing will definitely get the job done. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them for you guys. I do also stream on Twitch TV at Hammer Dance Live. Link's going to be down in the description below. I stream weeknights, usually around 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely give me a follow on there. Come hang out. I'll answer questions if you have any. You can drop them right in my chat or in the comments below here on this video. So thank you guys for your time. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you enjoy the content. And I'll see you next time. Happy gaming.